Dear children, good evening. I hope you all are fit and fine and would have enjoyed the last 2 weeks when you were off the textbooks and notebooks of the different subjects of your class. You would have really enjoyed, and we are waiting for a report that what you did in these 2 weeks. So the next week is newspaper week. Why we have selected this topic or this homework, this kind of homework? Because if you read newspaper regularly, definitely it motivates you. It makes you aware of that what is going on around the world, that is must to set the target, to set the goal, right? If you are aware that what is going on around the world, then it's very easy for you to set the targets for your life, right? So this is the purpose behind this, because in this week you can afford to give the whole week to newspaper and create your interest in reading newspaper, right? So as was suggested that you will have the Times of India because it's a very common newspaper, and to start with is a good newspaper, because the other newspapers like Hindu is suggested also, but its level is a little high, and once you are comfortable with Times of India, then you can go ahead with Hindu newspaper also, right? So what you have to do, you have to cover almost all the subjects except mathematics in reading the newspaper, right? Like there are different news, you have to categorize them into different subject wise categories. That I'll help you, I'll let you know right now how to go ahead. But before going ahead, I would like to share with you that next week will be an innovation week. And yesterday I attended a webinar. It was addressed by, the resource person was Dr. B.K. Dwivedi. Yes, I have just forgotten the name. Mr. B.K. Dwivedi. Right? So, B.K. Tyagi or B.K. Dwivedi, I have just forgotten the name, right? So, he said that B.K. Tyagi, right? So, he really shared valuable information that what the student should do and what the student should be encouraged to do, right? So we will all have that webinar, and in that webinar all of us will participate, the parents as well as the students, right? So that we can have what needs to be done, right? So on the Sunday, coming Sunday or Saturday, whenever will be convenient for Dr. Tyagi, we will invite him for the webinar, and that webinar will be attended by all, by the students as well as the parents, right? So now what needs to be done in this week? This is the newspaper of today in my hand, the Sunday Times, right? Sunday Times. It's a Sunday version of, Sunday edition of Times of India, right? Now you have to categorize the news, like you will write the different headlines, and will have to write 10 difficult words, 10 new words with meanings, the 10 new words with meaning, right? When you'll go through the newspaper, you'll find the different news, and in that news you will find some new words also for you. So you have to pick up those new words and write the meanings, right? So with each news heading, when you'll write, so you will find the difficult word and its meaning also, that I'll let you know right now, okay? So the different categories will be that the news that you will write will be like Hindi first. Hindi first will cover Hindi. So any news article you have to pick up. First go through the newspaper and pick up any news article, and then you have to uh, translate it in Hindi. You have to translate it in Hindi, right? Little you have to translate in Hindi, so that Hindi homework is also covered, right? English is that when you will write the different headlines, so in those headlines you will find the difficult words, and those meanings you will write, difficult words meaning you will write, and those will be, that will be English word, right? Now you have to cover like SST. SST you have to cover. So in SST you have to search which news is related to history and which news is related to geography, right? You'll put the heading SST, and then I'll just send you the guidance in text message also on WhatsApp, in text message also. So for all this work, you will make a separate notebook and on the first page of that notebook, you will write all these categories that will be sent to you through WhatsApp message, right? So that you need not to check the WhatsApp message every day, right? So on the first page only, you will write all those categories. So like you'll select the news of history and geography. So that will be SST. Then politics, politics, Indian politics, right? National politics, you'll write national politics, you'll write, right? And all those news which are related to politics will be written in that. Then you have environmental studies. Any news, you have to write the headlines only, right? The news related to the environment, any news related to the environment, right? Then philanthropy or public weal means there are people who keep on doing good work for the public, for the people's welfare, to help the people. So that is called either philanthropy or public weal. So that will be one category in which you will write the headline of that news which is related to this. Then science is there, news related to science. Then there are some shocking news also that when you read, you say, oh, is it so? Some shocking news also. Then there are news which are related to achievements. Like in today's newspaper only, there's a full page with the achievements of the students who have been commissioned into army, because yesterday it was a passing out parade of IMA Dehradun, Indian Military Academy Dehradun. So all those students, the cadets who got commissioned in army, it is about them. So it is achievement. So it's not the only achievement, there are many achievements you can find in the newspaper, right? Then science you can science I have already covered. Then there is crime also in the country. Every day some crime is also going on. So under the heading crime, then you have write the crime, what crime you found in the newspaper, right? Then you have adventure also. Adventure, if there is any news related to adventure. If there is no, so you can write none, right? Now there will be news regarding COVID also. COVID, definitely you will find some news regarding related to COVID, so that you also have to write. Innovations too you will find, so you have to write some headlines, select some headlines for the heading innovations. Now at times there are some such news also that we feel really ashamed. So shame, right? Shame, that also is to be covered, right? We must know that what is shameful being done in the country, right? Then there is cinema also, right? The news related to cinema, it can be arc light, it can be light and camera, it can be Bollywood, you know. So it's up to you. You can change the headings also. I'm only giving you the ideas or the topics to be covered. So you can give your names also to these topics, right? So sports is there. There's one page of sports also. So you can cover the sports also. Then concern also. You'll read some such news that you will be worried. Or the news in which the people are doing such work to help the people or to solve their problems, to solve the problems of the people, right? So that too is a concern, because people are concerned, that's why they are doing all this kind of work, right? So these headings I'll just categorize, I'll just send in the WhatsApp message, and then it will be easy for you to divide or to put the news in the different categories. Now in today's newspaper, like the newspaper is in my hand, so on the first page is advertisement. So there'll be advertisements also. You have to write the advertisement also, right? And with the advertisement, one thing I haven't written in it, that is illustration. So you will find, I'll show you the illustrations also. So like the first page is there. So COVID treatment cost to fall. right? And then US President Biden leads infra plan to rival China's BRI, right? So this is international news. So it will be put under the category of international news, right? Now, Uttarakhand to move man-eaters from its crowded centers. It is for the environment. The wildlife and the environment can be covered in one topic, right? Then there are achievements. Sanitation worker's son gets commissioned as army officer. Sanitation worker who sweeps, who does the sanitation work, his son gets commissioned as army officer, right? And it's an achievement. Then you can see in this page, the whole page you can see in this page you will find the achievements of the students, and there are various headings. Passing out parade held at IMA under COVID shadow. Sons of farmers, first generation soldiers pass out of IMA, right? So this is about achievement. Sword of honor is given to someone. That you'll have just find out then what is sword of honor. That I'll just come to. Now, FIR lodged against hospital owner after complaint from CMO. It's shame that hospital owner, FIR is lodged against a hospital owner after complaint from CMO, right? Now, first rain drowns civic bodies claims. First rain drowns civic bodies claims, right? It can be under environment, right? Then the next page is, there are so many news, and then you have to first read the headlines only if you read, and then you will find your own that which news is to be read completely. All the news need not to be read completely. Now here, diesel tops ₹100 mark in Raj after yet another hike. Diesel's prices are going up, so it is a concern that it will affect the life of a common man, right? Here, BJP tries to keep flock together in West Bengal. BJP tries to keep flock together in West Bengal. So it is political news, right? So this wise you have to categorize the different news. Now Mehul Choksi denied bail by Dominica court. Now who is Mehul Choksi? I don't know whether you know or not, है ना? So who is Mehul Choksi and why he is not being given the bail? He is denied bail, right? So you will be interested to know about him, right? So likewise there are many news, है ना? Now politics. Congress should take note. People don't quit parties, they quit bosses. They don't quit parties, they quit bosses. It's really very simple. Now concern. Again, doctors versus Ramdev need science, not superstition, to fight COVID. We need science, not superstition. Superstition, you have to find out the meaning of the word, though you might be knowing the meaning of the word, right? To fight COVID. Then is sports, national. It can have national as well as international sports. Now international news. G7 leaders outline health pact to combat future pandemics. So what is about it that you have to go through and find out which news is interesting for you, right? Then is limelights. It is limelights, right? So about the film stars and all, you'll find, right? That is up to you. Like I have always wanted to be a pan-India actor. Means who is working all over India. There are some actors who work in south only, some who work in north only. So this is the actress who wants to work to be a pan-India actor. Like now then John Abraham, you would have heard the name of John Abraham. So he writes, I am secure in my space. That's my biggest advantage. A lot is there to learn from even these film stars and sports persons, right? So there are many news in it. So this way you have to go through the whole newspaper. The whole day is for the newspaper only, and the whole week, rather the day as well as the week, is for the newspaper, to go through the newspaper. Now illustrations are there in this newspaper. I couldn't find the illustration today, but you will find a topic, and that topic is picturized. That topic is picturized, that is called illustration, right? Illustrated, the topic is illustrated, so that you have to make, that may come in an advertisement, sorry, drawing, that can be covered in drawing, right? Now by the end of the day, some pages, if you want, can be used to make some craft. So all the subjects you have to cover in the newspaper week. Now what is your takeaway after reading the newspaper? What is your takeaway? Means, what did you learn? And what do you want to do now? That is your takeaway. What have you taken away from the newspaper? That is your takeaway. So you will write my takeaway also. Next thing, you will also write that now what my question for today, right? Because when you read all these news, so you will have many questions in your mind. So my question for today, my question today, not for today. For today means it's only for today. My question today, right? This way, all these points that I had covered in this video, I'll just send a WhatsApp message, right? And you have to copy it down first. Again, I am repeating that you have to copy it down on the first page of the notebook that you have made separately for this newspaper week, right? So I hope you will enjoy, and every day the work that you have done is to be sent to your class teacher. Let's see what you are doing, if whether you need any guidance, whether you have understood what's to be done in this week. So every day you have to send your work to your class teacher, and then the class teacher will judge it, check it, and if any further guidance is required, then the class teachers will send you the guidance, right? This is for the students class 5th onwards, right? That the students know already, message has already been sent. So I hope you will enjoy it, and with this activity you will develop your interest in reading the newspaper, right? You become an aware citizen of the country as well as of the world when you read the newspaper regularly and know about what is going on around the world, right? So when you come to know about the different fields that the people are working, so definitely you can set a target for yourselves also, that now what should be aim of my life, what should I do in my life, right? Otherwise the children are often unguided or misguided, right? So I hope this week will be a very enjoying week, interesting week for all of you, and we too are eagerly waiting to see the work of the students in newspaper week, right? And the next week will be innovation week, and for that innovation week guidance will be there, and before that we will meet Mr. BK Tyagi, and he'll guide you. It was really interesting session, very interesting session. You cannot imagine, है ना? And definitely that session too will motivate you to be innovative, to solve the problems that you see around, right? I'll not share anything that he has told, otherwise your interest will be lost. But he'll say, right? So I want to maintain your interest, and so that you can eagerly wait for his session with you all, with you as well as with your parents, right? So have a nice newspaper week ahead, and enjoy this week and learn also as much as possible from this newspaper week, and may it transform you, may it bring a great change in you, this newspaper week. May this newspaper week change you, the way you think and the way you work, and may it prove to be a very fruitful week for all of you, right? All the best. Thank you so much.